up, guys? It's early in the morning and I'm about to make a trek across the state of Florida over to TST Industries. See, back in April, TST, they sent me a free taillight kit because they were doing their prototype and stuff for the K67, the 2021 BMW S1000RR, and today I've decided to return them.
So today's journey is going to take me across the state of Florida, and we are going to go visit TST Industries, which is over kind of by, it's between Orlando and Daytona. I'm actually on the west coast, over by the beaches. So it's about, I don't know, about 140 miles or so. It's early, so there's not gonna be a whole lot of traffic, but we do have the GPS going, which means that we have a time to beat. For anybody that has ever used a GPS to get anywhere, you also know that there's an unwritten rule that the goal is to beat the time the GPS tells you you're going to be there. And also I would like to mention, or I'd like to note, that this trip will put the new K67 over 5,000 miles on the odometer. And I haven't had any issues with this bike yet. It's been a beauty. It's been a dream to ride. No issues. Yeah. So when we get back, we're gonna do an oil change probably, but yeah, that's quite a few miles to put on a bike in, let me get this, like 3 months ago? 5,000 miles in 3 months? That's not bad. We do a lot of riding around here. Bay Area Riders is always out riding, man. So we made it over to, what is this? Lake Helen, Florida. Over by Orlando, over by Daytona, that area. And this is where the headquarters is, where TST does their thing. Pushes these products out to us. There it is. What's up, man? Alright, so we made it to TST, we made it to their building here. And of course, I'm making them remove the lights that they gave me for free. But not because I don't like them, it's only because they have, these are prototypes that they gave me and they want them back. So I'm gonna get production ones. As you can see, I'm in their warehouse. I'll show you guys a little bit about this place. This place is impressive. They have all of these parts that they're shipping out to us. Everything that you can think of. Just racks and racks and racks and racks of parts. The cool thing about what they do here is they do everything in-house. So right here is like a testing spot where they're testing out all the stuff that they're sending to us, whether that's electronic components or mechanical stuff, it doesn't matter. It's all assembled here, tested. We've got probably one of the coolest conference rooms I've ever seen. We got all their trophies up there, all their plaques, trophies, all this good stuff like that. I wouldn't mind having a meeting right here with them. YouTube plaque, we'll get there someday. And then in here, this is where they're literally putting stuff together, literally building stuff from zero and just prototyping things out in this room right here. Right here, I think this is like a, I think it's like a Ninja 400 airbox or something that they're 3D printing. So they're literally making things out of nothing, just out of ideas, and creating these products for our bike from scratch. It's amazing. Alright, so anyway, the real reason that I'm here today is because they wanted their prototypes back, which is cool. So I met up with Mark up here this morning. They're over by Daytona, Orlando area, and basically all we're gonna do today is we're gonna take the lights that they gave me and we're gonna put production ones on. In fact, we're gonna do the blue rings, I think. It'll kind of match all the billet stuff. So let's go talk to Mark and see what he's up to. How's it coming over here?
Pretty good, man. I'm actually just about done taking out the old ones.
Nice.
And it'll be a minute of installing the vinyl ones.
Perfect.
It's so simple, you know?
It really is too. I couldn't believe it. Like, honestly, it took me longer, obviously, to do like for the license plate than it was for the actual lights. Yeah. And that was because, and the only reason that this took me so long is because I was going back and forth on how exactly I wanted to do it.
You got the adjustable one, yeah?
Because you can adjust it, and there's, yeah, so. Mark went through, he replaced the lights for me. So these are the ones that we got. These were the prototypes they sent me. They're red, which they look really, really good. I've got 5,000 street miles on these lights and they still work amazing. But anyway, these are the prototypes that they sent me. So we're returning these, and Mark just got done installing the blue ringed ones, which I really wanted. I'm gonna show you why. So I wanted the blue ring ones because I felt like they matched all of the billet pieces on the bike. So as you can see, those blue rings, which they have in red, they've got them in silver, I believe, and also these blue. I wanted those because I felt like they matched all of this. So I'm pretty happy with the look of these lights. It's kind of cool to be in here. This is TST's like little studio area. That's where they got their camera right here. This is where they're doing all of their install videos. So when you're watching their install videos, that's what you see right there. Bike on the lift. That's where Bart's doing his install videos. It's pretty cool to be standing here after watching them for these years, you know? So this is the guy right here.
Hey guys, how's it going?
So if you're talking to anybody over here at TST, it's probably this guy right here.
Probably me, or Nate, or Ben. Shout out to our customer service team.
They're awesome. Seriously, they've helped me out. We've talked quite a bit, so it's cool to actually finally meet him. We've been emailing and texting back and forth for a couple months now, so it's cool to actually meet him. These guys are awesome. I don't think this is going to be the last time I see him.
No, I hope not.
No, I think I'll be back.
Anytime you ride to Daytona, or if you want to, you know, come out here, meet up in Orlando, go for a ride, whatever. I'm going to make my way out to the Bay Area, ride with
Sounds
you guys.
good. Come out to a bike night.
I need to join you guys in the festivities. So.
Yeah, man, it's a good time. It's all right. We're going to head back to Tampa, try to beat this heat and the rain, and yeah.
Nice little morning over at TST Industries. Again, thank you guys for hooking me up with these taillights. Of course, Mark, my boy, thank you for meeting me up there so we get these lights swapped out. Give me the color that I want. I know that I'm being picky, but you know, I told Mark I wanted the blue ones and he sent me the red ones. But no, the prototypes, I didn't really have a choice in those. The prototypes they sent me had the red rings, which is cool. I mean, they looked amazing. And then I just got picky and I decided that I wanted the blue ones. So Mark rolled his eyes and said that, okay, fine, you can come over and get the blue ones. So now we got the blue ones, and it matches all the Gilles tooling stuff. It just looks really, really good. Now we've got some rain clouds in the forecast, so I'm going to try to make it back to Tampa without getting wet. I know it doesn't look like it. It actually looks like a very beautiful day out. And it is. It's actually really nice out. But there are some rain clouds out in the universe today. And not only just here, because I'm literally crossing the entire state of Florida, which means that there's a lot of chance of rain between here and there. Anyway, I will see you guys later tonight when we get some riding done. You guys are rocking. I don't know what they're doing over there. The whole car is shaking though. Having a party in there. Alright, gonna go knocking. This is a beautiful Saturday. We got Ethan and Joe who are meeting me over at the taco stand over in Tampa, so that's where I'm heading now. I am exhausted, and I think if I get some food, I'll be okay. There's literally 300 miles in the Florida sun. It was like 90 something degrees today. And of course I was wearing full gear for today's trip, so the energy just kind of got sucked out of me. So I went home, took a nap, and I think I'm good to go now. We'll see. It might be an early night, I don't know yet.
Alright, we're getting some tacos. The best taco spot in Tampa out of a trailer. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it's that place right there. Best tacos in Tampa. And of course, the #1 soda. This is the soda of America. Orange drink, yeah, boy.
I'm telling you, the tacos here are incredible. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but they're so good. I come all the way from St. Pete. What up? I'm talking to people. But yeah, seriously, best tacos in the world. Right in that little trailer right there. Who's that? Oh, I thought that was Will. That's not Will. We're gonna head over to Radiant. I'm I'm assuming that they already kicked everybody out, but we're gonna go check it out anyway. Radiant is actually pretty quiet for a Saturday night. Nobody's playing loud music, everybody's behaving. I lied. About 5 seconds after I said that, it decided to crank up. They're playing music again, which means the cops are coming, which means we gotta get out of here. Although I don't know if I'm gonna stay out that late, but we gotta do something. But Will and Amanda, they love this place. They love the music. And these boys brought all the tricks out tonight. Loaded up dirt bikes and quads. Bringing out the Radiant. Hey girl. I ate my tacos. I had my fun. I'm going to head home. It's been a long day. Lots of miles on the bike. Lots of time spent out in the sun. I'm just ready to relax for the rest of the night. So that's what we're gonna do. I could do that. I could do that like for like 3 miles, I think is my record. I think. Yeah, boy. Smooth like butter, baby. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna save up my energy next week. If you're in the Tampa Bay area and you want to get some night riding in with us, we do have the Saturday Night Lights ride happening next weekend, next Saturday, a week from today. Well, probably about 5 days from the time you're watching this video. But it's a great ride. It's at night, so it's nice and cool like it is right now. It's a ton of miles. We cover basically the entire Bay Area. We're going to be going over the Skyway. We're going to be coming up 75 around the whole bay, which is really cool. And it's kind of nice out there because there's not a whole lot of traffic out there. It's just nice to get out there and yeah, just not have to fight traffic, you know? The Bay Area Riders link, I put our link down below. That way you can check out our like page, our fan page, and check out all the events and stuff that we've got. We've got all kinds of stuff going on, a couple of bike nights every single week. It's really just a lot of good stuff.